We're talking about home defense shotgun. This is what everybody thinks they need. That's what you need. First things first, this thing, too complicated. Yes, it's short, but if you look down here, this one's almost just as short. If you think you need yourself a short shotgun, get yourself a Mossberg with a pistol grip. How many shots you think you need with a shotgun? I don't know. This thing has too many failures. Which is none today. Good job. This thing, everybody thinks they need a semi-automatic 12 gauge. Well, maybe, I guess, I don't know. One failure. Let's see what happens here. Another one. Another one. Well, that round was live. So this thing is still live. Just put it on safety. Me, my personal favorite for home defense. Look at this thing. Now, all I got is birdshot in all these guns. But you can't beat double hammers. Open it up, reload. Last resort, I guess. You could always take your hunting gun, your 10 gauge, single shot. Gotta love this thing. Ooh, I don't know what happened there. Didn't shut good enough, I guess. Ow! All right. And here, this is your all-purpose gun right here. This could be your hunting gun. This could be your home defense gun. 12 gauge pump. Now, all you have to do is take the stupid block out, so you can load it up with 4. Then, what more do you need? But then my personal favorite, because all that hurt, you get yourself Mossberg 410 buckshot. You don't need overpowered. If you don't need overpowering if you're going to be talking about home defense. Now, if I made this a home defense gun, I would probably get an 18-inch barrel, but 410, gotta love it. Everybody thinks they need these. Because all this shit's too complicated. Even though I like that this one finally worked. But your home defense shotgun either should be your hunting shotgun, or get yourself a stupid coach gun, 18-inch barrel. Get yourself a Mossberg 500 with a pistol grip if you really think you need something short. These Bullpups are nice, but it's just... I love that this gun actually worked this time. But this gun gave me more failures than it gave me. I mean, at one time, I put 4 rounds to it, didn't even go off. Maybe got to beat it up. I'm not sure what's going on. And this one works great if I keep the right ammo in it. I just put a bunch of stupid ammo in it because I don't want to waste my buckshot. But even this one is, nah. Hunting shotgun. 410. Love it. Bye.